In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for flights using incognito mode on Google. Many people believe that using incognito mode might help you find cheaper flight prices, as it avoids storing cookies or browsing history. While this isn't officially proven, it's something you can try for yourself. To begin, open your browser and click on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select New Incognito Window. This will open a new private browsing tab. Once you're in incognito mode, type Google Flights into the search bar and press Enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search results to access the Google Flights website. From here, you can proceed just like you would in a regular browsing session. Choose the type of trip you want, round trip, one-way, or multi-city, and enter your destinations. Then click on the Explore button. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see all the available flights based on your input. You can also change the currency from here if needed. When you find a flight you're interested in, click on it. Since you're in incognito mode, you'll need to copy the flight details link. To do that, right-click on the URL in the address bar and select Copy. Then open your regular browser window, paste the link into the search bar, and press Enter. This allows you to review or book the same flight while signed into your main account. And that's how you can search for flights in incognito mode on Google Flights.